What if I told you there was a way that you could swap any crypto across chains in under a minute with zero KYC, no account, and total privacy? Stick around because GhostSwap is going to change how you trade forever. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into the video. So this is GhostSwap, and these guys prioritize one thing that is massively needed in the crypto economy right now. And that is anonymity. So you don't need to KYC or have an account or have to give up any information here. You can literally just connect your wallet and then swap super easily. These guys even have their own crypto on-ramp if you need to do so as well. But overall, this is one of the best platforms out there when it comes to swapping crypto. Because you can see here, they've swapped over 600 million already, with over 1,500 different cryptocurrencies supported and over 1 million satisfied users. So this is fantastic, and it works in a very, very simple way. All you've got to do is choose the crypto you want to swap, you enter your address, and then you send your crypto to the deposit address they provide. After that, you will then receive the crypto you're trying to swap directly into your wallet. Now, this is great, but they also support cross-chain limitless swaps and total privacy and anonymity. This is something we haven't seen other platforms doing, and I think this is a massive leap forward when we're talking about the actual point of crypto, which is decentralization and not having to give up your data to transact with cash. And when it comes to digital cash, I would say GhostSwap is the absolute pinnacle and best platform to be swapping with. In fact, these are some of the reviews that these guys are getting. We can see Richard is saying that GhostSwap makes crypto trading so much easier. As a result, I can enjoy complete anonymity and lightning fast transactions. Most importantly, I no longer have to deal with lengthy KYC processes. And this is a really, really good point at the end here. Normally, if you're submitting KYC, sometimes it can take up to 3 days to get approved, depending on where you're from. And that is a massive issue when you just want to swap your crypto or get involved with crypto as a whole. Now, normally you'd expect this to be quite complicated, but as you can see, these guys literally just have a widget and you would pick your crypto like you can see here. Again, these guys have over 1,500 different cryptos to choose from. And then what we can do is actually pick what we want. So we can say, hey, I want to swap some USDT on Ethereum for Solana. And yes, let's just say, hey, we want to do this with $100. And then it's going to update the Solana right here. From that point, we're going to press exchange, and then we're going to put in our payout address. Next, we're just going to press confirm exchange. Now, these guys are actually being reported about everywhere in crypto right now, and they have been for the past year. And we can see here that CoinGate actually put out an article for them reviewing their entire platform. And the summary here is privacy is one of the biggest asks of the entire crypto community. The need is increasing as government regulations threaten the very fabric of anonymity in the crypto world. So they're basically saying GhostSwap solves this, and I would totally agree. From my experience of using this platform, guys, I think it's super intuitive, very, very easy to get going. And if you are a bit newer to crypto, they actually have guides here on how to do it. So I think that's fantastic. You can even go to the bottom here and choose what you want to swap if you do see it there, which might be an easier option for you. And their on-ramp here is really, really decent. We can see here, it's very simple. You can pay it with any of your debit or credit cards or Google or Apple Pay here. And all you've got to do is type in the amount, press buy crypto. We're looking for BTC in this case. And then it's going to locate providers in which we can purchase crypto from. So here we've got MoonPay, we've got Banksa, and we've got Transact here to choose from. If we were to choose MoonPay, we would then actually have to put in our wallet address. And then we can pay with card. It's going to send the crypto to that address. Really, really cool way to get going. And again, no KYC needed to actually just get involved with crypto. And that for me is something that is really intuitive and something that's going to massively help out the crypto world as a whole. So definitely head over to ghostswap.io. There will be a link in the description, guys, but this is a fantastic platform and a great way to get started with crypto. If you're just looking to pick some up and you've got your MetaMask ready, go ahead and get started with this because this is one of the best platforms out there. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next video.